World oil markets are in meltdown after Monday's historic crash, which saw US oil prices plunging below $0 per barrel. Demand for oil has collapsed as lockdowns across the world have ground economies to a halt. Fears over a lack of storage for the excess oil saw firms renting tankers, driving prices deeper into negative territory, reaching a low of minus $37. US oil prices briefly clawed back to slightly above zero before turning negative again on Tuesday. But the market downturn has already pushed a number of American oil fracking companies to file for bankruptcy, while the volatility of the oil price threatens to damage the country's entire economy.
That's crazy. Yes, I mean, it's going to go up because it can't stay like that.
It's an interesting situation that's never occurred before, but it's just based on futures anyway, so they think in another couple of months that it'll go up to normal prices again. But it's not really, if you look at the pump price, it's not really reflecting, right?
Right.
It should say like $1.20.
It's not only Corona, it's those who control that. They don't have the, the brains to handle it.
Will hurt the economy bad, and everyone else, not only here.
Anything dropping below a certain price is an indicator. A surplus of anything is a crisis.
Early this month, the world's leading oil producers agreed to an unprecedented deal to reduce global production by roughly 10%. The number of countries participating in the deal was also higher than had been expected. It had been hoped the move would stabilize the markets and counter the fall in demand. Roberto D'Ambrosio is CEO of the broker company Axery Global Limited. He explains why $0 oil is no freebie.
Storing oil is not something you can do that easily. Oil is a very difficult commodity to handle, and in order to store it properly, you need appropriate storage units. And it's something that you can do right away. I mean, I cannot buy a barrel of oil, oil and hoard it in my garage. This is not how it works. The real price at which oil is exchanged, it's different than the price that the derivative is showing. By the way, it's my opinion that what happened yesterday shouldn't have happened. No price below zero should ever be allowed. Russia has, of course, it's pretty linked to the price of oil, and a prolonged time of low prices could impact in Russia as well. The thing is that Russia, as compared to other countries which are dependent much more on oil than Russia does, could let's say, hold this situation in a better way, as long as it doesn't prolong too much. Of course, it all depends how well the world will recover from the crisis.